Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily turn on STEM mode in the TikTok app on your Android mobile device. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, and activating this mode helps you get more content related to these subjects. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Now, find and click on STEM mode. Finally, tap on Turn On to activate STEM mode in your TikTok app. That's all there is to it. Turning on STEM mode will help tailor your TikTok feed with educational content focused on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.